File comparison is the process of identifying and highlighting differences between two versions of the same file. Let's take an example where auditors often share templates with action items. Once updates are made, you need to verify whether those changes were correctly applied. This bot compares current and past versions of the file and identifies what's changed, fast, reliably, and without. Here are our audit files, one from June 25th and one from July 25th. The goal is to compare the changes made between these 2 months. Let's focus only on the status column, to check whether each record is marked as open or closed, and whether those changes match. Let's log in securely to the Ambot 365 platform. Once logged in, select File Comparison Bot from the dashboard and we are ready to go. The bot is already trained and scheduled. We simply click the Run button to activate the automation. Upload the previous and current versions of the file and confirm execution to begin processing. The bot highlights the rows where changes were found. It summarizes the number of rows processed, changes identified, and the time taken. Here's the audit comparison output. Each change is clearly marked, making review quick and clear. The bot generates 2 reports, a findings summary and a fully highlighted file showing the exact status differences between both versions. The bot can compare 2 reports in minutes, save 90% of time, eliminate manual effort and make your audits cleaner, faster, and more reliable.